Stop! You're not growing plants. You're killing your seeds before they even start. Every beginner makes this mistake. Too dry or too wet, both will destroy your seeds. You planted the seeds, so why is nothing growing? The mistake is right here. Planting too deep, your seed may never see sunlight again. Too shallow, and your seeds become bird food. Bad soil, zero growth. Your seeds need life, not concrete. Too much water suffocates your seeds before they can breathe. No sunlight, no energy, no growth. Old seeds don't expect new life. Wrong season, wrong results. Timing is everything.
Too close together, and they fight for survival.
No airflow means mold takes over fast. Dirty pots carry diseases your seeds can't survive. Watering at the wrong time wastes everything. That tiny instruction, it decides success or failure.
No drainage, no survival.
Cheap soil costs you your entire harvest.
Stop checking your seeds. You're disturbing their growth.
No labels, total confusion later. Too much fertilizer burns young roots instantly. Cold water shocks your seeds. Uncovered seeds dry out before they grow. Too much shade creates weak, lifeless plants. Not all seeds grow fast. Patience is part of gardening. The biggest mistake? Giving up right before growth begins.